Alright, if you're having a problem with your window operation, power window operation on your 04 GX470 Lexus, then this will be the video for you. You're watching the Car Doctor channel. Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm Tim. I'm here at my repair shop, Donor Automotive in Anchorage, Alaska. And I got a very specialized tip here on this 04 Lexus GX470. This may apply to other Toyota or Lexus models as well. But there's an instance where when you've changed the battery or battery's gone dead or something like that on these vehicles, and then you lose the operation of the power windows from the driver's window switch. The power window on the driver's front door may function normally, but the others don't, or the auto features no longer function properly. There's a reinitialization procedure that you need to do, and it's a real quick deal. I'll show you on this one here. So you just go to the affected window, and in this case I'm going to the right rear window, which I've already done it to the right front window and got that working normally from the switch, so I thought I'd replicate it here. You may have to do all the three remaining windows after you perform the initialization process to get them all to come back online. You may only have to do the right front. That's where you want to start if you've run into this problem, is go to the right front. And here's what you do. Go to the door switch in that window, and we want to roll it all the way down and all the way up 5 times. Okay, so there goes 1. This is 2. All the way down, all the way up. Number 3. Number 4. One more. Okay, on the 5th, go all the way down and then all the way back up. And then go down a little more than halfway and go up with the auto feature. And then we'll just double check the operation from the driver's front door. Since the auto feature is working, I think we'll probably fix this one. Let's go take a look. I'll just double check here from the driver's switch. And now we've restored normal operation to that window, and they're all working, so we are good to go. That was a quick fix. Might save you some time and money. Hope this video was helpful. I really appreciate you watching the channel. Go ahead and subscribe now if you haven't already, and I'll catch you next time. Take care.